Got him!
I was gonna say, am I gonna...
You got him, guys. Take him. Shoot him. Got him.
Here, let me shoot.
Get ready, boys. 3, 2, 1. Take him. Yes, sir.
Nice. Little son of
Welcome back, guys, to another video on Cooley. It's been a while since we've been out here in the duck blinds. It is opening day. We've been waiting a long time for this. A lot of jitters. We've been scouting these fields out for a couple of weeks now. It's been very good so far today.
Let him loop one more time.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Taking him.
Holy shit!
Holy. Okay. Either me or Nate took a snipe on that
I
one.
think we both shot him.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
We got a whole...
We got 5 setting in. Yeah. All right, we taking them?
Take him. Shoot him.
I got two.
I got 2 too.
Two drakes.
Me too. We got geese.
Once again, the old men didn't get any, I guarantee you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ready?
Take them.
Go down. Oh, nice. We got two. Kurt, take what?
I didn't even shoot.
You guys aren't even paying attention.
Hey, I shot one.
2 shots, 2 ducks. Oh.
Oh, that's a sailor.
I missed.
Oh.
I missed.
Ow. My leg. Oh, it crumpled.
Down. Oh, this is yours right here.
You guys better take them.
Come on, Bo.
Good shooting.
That's what is okay. Sweet jug. Tie is probably.
Oh yeah. Shoot him. There we go. Good shooting, boys. Take him. Stay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alrighty, boys. Get ready. Try to shoot drakes. My gun jammed.
I got two drakes right there.
Woohoo! Good stuff, boys. You old guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Never mind. Oh, yeah. Kill him.
That was too far.
Is that a hen?
And we also scouted this field for a couple of weeks. And we pulled in there this morning to go hunt it, and some other fellows were already in there. They also got permission from the same guy. So we were just pulled out of there, went to a field that we always have permission on. No birds landed in here yet. So we just set up our decoys as best as we could, played the wind right, and the ducks worked very awesome. The geese, not so well, but we're at like 20 or 21 ducks so far. So it's been very good. Decoying these early season birds can be tough sometimes, as y'all know, but it's a very good opening day. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you later.